Updating your legal name on Bitwarden is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and accurately. Step 1. Log into your Bitwarden account. Access the Bitwarden website or app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your master password handy. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option. This is usually found in the sidebar or under your profile icon. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Find the name update section. In the account settings, look for the section that allows you to update personal information. This may be labeled as profile or personal information. Step 4. Enter your new legal name. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new name, scroll down to find the Save button. Click it to confirm the changes and update your account information. Once you've completed these steps, your legal name will be updated on Bitwarden. Make sure to log out and log back in to see the changes reflected in your account.